The number of rides taken by two students, Faye and Graeme, at a fairground are shown in the following table. So Faye took 4 roller coasters, 2 water slides, and 0 revolving drums, and Graeme, however you pronounce it, took 1 roller coaster ride, 3 water slides, and 6 revolving drums. The mean score for Faye's ride is 2.5, and standard deviation of the cost of Faye's rides is $0. There's no standard deviation. That means there's no spread in the data. That means every data value is 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Explain how you can tell that the roller coaster and the water slides each cost 2.5 uh, per ride. So you write, since standard deviation is 0, there is no spread in data. Hence, every data value is 2.5. That would mean $2.5. That would mean he took 4 roller coaster rides, so that costed him 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Then he took 2 water slides, that also costed him 2.5 each. Okay, and then he took 0 revolving drums. Okay, mean cost of Grammy's ride is 3.76. Find the standard deviation of the cost for Grammy's ride. Okay, so for the standard deviation, I need all the data values. So I know each roller coaster ride costs $2.5. And we know that each of these 3 rides also cost 2.5 because we've established that from part 1 that roller coaster ride and water slides ride each costs $2.5. But what about these 6 rides? How much does each of these cost? We are given the mean cost of Grammy's rides. So we're going to use the mean formula. What is that going to be? 2.5 times 1. So there's a single 2.5 for the roller coaster plus 2.5 times 3 because he took water slides 3 times. So 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. Then 6 times he took the revolving drum ride, which costs X dollars, divided by how many rides are there or how many data values are there. 6 plus 3 plus 1, that's a 10. And mean is equals to 3.76. You will move 10 to the other side, add these two together, take the result to the other side, subtract, and then divide the answer with 6, and you should get 1 point, x equals 1.0, no, it's not that, it's sorry, 4.6. X comes out to be $4.6. So the revolving drum rides cost $4.6. Now we need to find the standard deviation of the cost for Grammy's ride. Okay, so Grammy took 1 roller coaster ride, so that's a 2.5. Then he took 3 water slides, so that's 3 times 2.5. And then he took 6 revolving drum rides, that's 6 times, what did we get? 4.6. All right, so this would be what we enter in the numerator if we were finding the mean. But if we're finding the standard deviation, we square the data values. 2.5 squared plus this 2.5 squared times 3 plus this 4.6 squared times 3. Because the formula is something like this. Standard deviation equals to summation of x value squared times the frequency divided by the total frequency minus square of the mean. Okay. So we'll do, for standard deviation, we'll take square root of square the x values. So 2.5 squared times frequency, which is 3, plus another 2.5 squared. Oh no, the frequency was 1 in the first case. Then times 3 plus 4.6 squared times 6 divided by, we have 10 data values here, minus square of the mean, and we already know the mean from the question, 3.76. Okay. Enter all of this in your calculator and you should get 1.028785, which would be 1.03 after rounding to three significant figures.